We have some important news about the anomalies we were able to get eyewitnessed. Description of the anomalies: most anomalies that are 7 to 8 feet tall can run up to 100 miles per hour. For some reason, instead of killing people, they are capturing them, and more anomalies have been appearing. The death tolls of 50 and missing people are at 1,000. The anomalies can easily break into your house, so seek refuge in a basement or attic. If your house does not have a basement or attic, find the room with the least amount of doors and windows. Evacuation team is coming to rescue you. Bring important supplies such as water and non-perishable food. Evacuation team arrived at 7:30. Good luck. Stay safe and God protect us all.